So we went into Target for one thing, laundry detergent, and we came out with a whole patio set that Jasmine helped me design, and now we're going to decorate my patio today, hopefully. We can get all this up into my apartment. Okay, here's all the stuff that we picked up that's small to decorate. This plant came in another planter from Target, but the planter was ugly and he needed some plants anyway, so now he's complete. I got a citronella candle because I freaking hate bugs, so if I'm gonna spend any time outside, I need to be prepared. These lights were the cheapest but cute option. And then I got 2 of these little seat pillows and some command hooks for the lights. These 2 chairs were $60 each. This table was $35 and the rug was $56. So honestly, not bad. I was looking at much more expensive products, so I'm really happy about these and we're gonna see what it looks like. To start off, I used some all-purpose cleaner on the spots where I was going to be sticking the command hooks so that it would be easy for them to adhere, and then I stuck them and clipped up the lights. Yes, it's that simple. Ow!
I caught that.
Anyway, gonna open the rug now. Rug is done. Ow! Everything is kind of dainty and petite and fits together perfectly, which I loved for this small space. I tried to use the suction hook from Michael's, but it did not work, so we used a command hook for the wreath. Look at him, he cute. So I think it's super cute. I'm in love with it. Hopefully it will get me outside more and not so much sitting in my apartment.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Hello, it's a messy bun, I'm not gonna try too hard kind of day. But I'm here to hopefully make this wreath thing that I've been wanting to make. I'll insert a picture here of the actual wreath I'm trying to recreate, which I found on Pinterest. I'll link that down below if I can find it too. And I guess I'm just gonna give this a go. I got stuff for Michael's. I have this hoop, which is cute, and it's like an embroidery hoop, and then I have the letter M because it could really be any of my initials because all 3 of them are M. And then I got this like burlappy, like canvasy looking ribbon that's pretty thick, and then I tried to cut this cardboard to hide just behind it in case I need some extra stability because I'm going to run this across. You'll see what I'm talking about. And then I got flowers. I just got a couple of plain white flowers because that's gonna go best with my aesthetic, and some eucalyptus, I think. And I'm gonna put it all together and try and make a wreath to go on my patio because I still currently have an Easter wreath up and it is mid-May. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So far, I have already messed up very badly. So I messed up initially by taking the flowers off. I should have just waited till I had the things to properly cut them off. So I'm trimming this piece of fabric down, and I did 2 layers so that it would be opaque. And then I'm just kind of hot gluing it in place and using this piece of cardboard to glue on the back for stability. After this, I started trying to cut down all of the flowers and stems, but I did not have the proper tools, so I made a trip to Dollar Tree and I bought 5 different things to try. And as you can see here, not a single one of them worked. I think I was doing things incorrectly, or I just bought really freaking strong plants. But either way, I struggled. Until I finally went to Michael's, got some clippers, which actually did the job the way they were supposed to. It was still not easy, and I sliced my hand open, so please wear heavy-duty gloves if you're going to use these, or get some parental help if you need it. I sure did. After that, I just kind of figured out where I wanted everything arranged before I started gluing anything down. And then I just got my hot glue gun going. And this is the hot glue gun that the Sorry Girls suggested in their YouTube video where they tested out a bunch of hot glue guns to find the best one. I like it okay, but mine doesn't seem to be working as well as theirs. And then I just glued down the final flowers all over the place, everywhere I could possibly reach that I thought it might need some glue. I glued down the letter in the middle to the best of my ability. And And then I went to the back, reinforced the hot glue around the cardboard and everywhere I could around the letter, just to make sure that nothing was going nowhere. So the last thing to do was to fold these pieces of ribbon in half and trim off the ends in this V-shaped pattern, which I thought was super cute. And then I ended up gluing it down just so that everything looked like one cohesive piece. A really big priority for me was a dog gate. I found one that was supposed to extend to 9 feet. What I didn't realize was as it extended, it actually shortened so that there was like 2 feet of space underneath where the gate was, which was not going to keep in my very short dog. So I went searching online. I was trying to find something reasonably priced, but the reality is just nothing that was helpful was reasonably priced. I have a patio that is completely open, no gate like already installed, and I think it's about 14, maybe 15 feet wide, so I needed quite a bit of width on my gate. I found one that was 12 feet wide, and then I found a separate piece that's an additional 6 feet wide, which, if I combine the two, should be good and have a little bit of extra space. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that. What I did was I bought a pack of hinges that I'm going to see if I can screw into this one and that one and combine them to make one extra wide gate. I don't know how, but I already broke it. So it looks like for this particular gate, which I will link down below, even though you guys are gonna laugh when you see how much money I spent on a dog gate, the 1.5 inch hinges look like they're going to fit best. And I just picked these up at Home Depot. Okay, update. And I'm crossing my fingers and hoping for the best here. The extra piece at the end of the gate already has holes drilled for another hinge. So I'm hoping it's the same on the other side and I can literally just screw my hinge that I bought on here. It's a perfect fit! Thing that I'm not super thrilled about, but I'm gonna have to live with at this point. This one has these slopey tops and this one has these flat tops. And it makes me kind of mad, but whatever. Being that there were already holes on both pieces actually, I was able to pretty easily drill in, and even where the holes didn't line up perfectly, the screws went straight in. It was really easy. Last thing I need to do is install the hinges, which they already have pre-drilled holes for this gate. And ow, and then it's ready to go. We're all done, yay!
2 weeks later.
Okay, here I am a couple of weeks later, and I think I finally have all the pieces that I will show you a, for now, final look. So first I want to take you on a tour of the new things that I've added since you've last seen it. My wreath that I made, this here deck box from Amazon, which has these seat cushions I got from Michael's, which are ugly, but I like having them so that I don't have to sit directly on the metal wire of the seats when they've been in the heat all day. These are some extra back cushions if somebody wants them, or they're just cute little throw pillows I might add in if I ever add more furniture at any point, and a little mat for Lady to lay on. And then I figured out how to plug in my lights. They look super pretty. And wait a second. Much better. This was a birthday present from my friend Gabrielle. I think he's adorable. He matches my little sloth planter over there. So I will find out who made this and I will link it down below for you. Last new thing is this gate, which, yes, it's leaning. I have to figure out a better way to secure this thing without adding any nails into the walls, hopefully. And with all that being said, here are the afters. And with all of that, I think I'm done, for now at least. I am going to go eat my Chipotle and chill on the patio and probably edit this video. If you like this video, then, I don't know, like it. And if you want to see more videos like this where I decorate or organize or learn to do something I've never learned to do, or any of the other crazy stuff I have going on this channel, then subscribe and I will see you guys next week. Bye!